I'm going to show you how to create a bibliography using a Word document. So say you have been writing some of your outcome and you need to put in some sources or where you've got your information from. Where you want to go is over here to Document Elements, click on that. Then over here where it says References, click on Manage. Okay, here's one that I've started to prepare earlier. I've got a list of all of the sources where I've been getting my information from. So to add a new one, you go down here to the Add and click on that. Now most of you will be getting your information, I'm assuming, from websites and documents on websites. So I'm just going to show you how to create a resource list for something that's on a website. So you click on website, and then the first thing that you want to look for is anything with an asterisk, which means that is the information that you have to include. Okay, if it doesn't have an asterisk, you don't need to fill it in. So the author, you want to find the author of the website. So to do that, you usually, it will be up the top near the title, or if you go down, it'll be right down the bottom, or it might even be on the home page. So try and locate that information before you get started. If you are getting it from somewhere like Wikipedia and they don't have individual authors, click on this box here, Author as Organisation, and then type in the name of the organisation of where you're getting that information from. But because my information actually has an author, I'm able to put that in. So the author here is Joseph Baker. So I'm going to put my name in up here, Joseph Baker. Okay. The name of the web page, the name of the website, they are not the same thing. Okay, the web page is the actual, The web page is the page in which you got the information from, which is this one here. Okay, I'm using this article to reference from. So the title of it is How Students Benefit from Using Social Media, and this is just an example. The website is the actual website, like the home page, which you can find in one of the tabs. Okay, so don't get those two confused. So my web page is How Students Benefit from Using Social Media. So I'm going to pop that in there. How students benefit from using social media. Okay, and my website is here. I can find it on the home page, but this is the organisation who's made the website. So Edudemic. Okay, so I'm going to pop that in here. Edudemic. The URL is simply the web address. Okay, so I find that up here and I can just copy that. Okay, and put that in here. Okay, you can't do a right click paste, you actually have to go Command V and it will put the URL in for you. Okay, the next bit of information is the year, the month and the day in which that article was published. Okay, so most of the time you'll only find a year, so fill in as much information as you possibly can. But with this article, I have got the actual full date. So it's February 12, 2013. So I pop that in here. February 12th. Okay, and the year I accessed this, so it was this year. Okay, and let's say I was actually doing this research in March and it was on the 12th. Okay, that's all the information I need for a website. So I'm going to click on OK. And what you'll find is it's actually added it in here to my reference list. Okay, if you realise that you've put in something wrong, you can click on it and go down here, go to Edit Source, and maybe you realised it wasn't Joseph Baker, it was Josephine Baker. Okay, and then you can change it. Or you realise that you didn't access it in March, it was actually April. Okay, so you can make any changes and it will change it automatically for you. Okay, so you can see that I've just duplicated it so you can see how it's changed it. Okay, once you've finished putting in all of your resources, you want to create your bibliography. So you go over to here to Bibliography and you click on Bibliography, and what you'll find is that it has created it for you in exactly the correct way of Harvard referencing, author, date, article, okay? And it's done it all for you, so it is in the correct and preferred method.